Welcome to my channel. I'm Mike. Today I want to make a simple breakfast with bread. Start with some spring onions, peppers and cherry tomatoes. Cut the bread slice down the middle. Put 5 grams of butter in the pan and then the bread slices. Beat an egg into the bread and add 1 gram of salt, shredded chili, minced beef, sliced scallions, and shredded cheese. You've got a nice omelette and bread. Make another one. Add a little salt, sliced spring onions, cherry tomatoes, and shredded cheese. Add a cup of coffee with only honey, and you have a healthy breakfast.